Okay, the next question we're going to look at is June 2018, question 7.5. June 2018, question 7.5. Potassium chlorate 7, KClO4. Let's try and work out why it's 7, by the way. Why is it 7? Chlorate 7. The potassium's +1. Oxygen's 4 of them -2 each. So the Cl is in +7. +1 +7 equals 4 -2s, which are -8 to leave no charge left over. So the 7 refers to the oxidation state of the Cl. Fine. When potassium chlorate 7, KClO4, decomposes, it produces potassium chloride and oxygen. Give an equation for the decomposition. Okay, fine. So KClO4 makes potassium chloride. That's got to be KCl. Potassium's in oxidation state +1 because it's in group 1 of the periodic table. Cl is in group 7, gain 1 electron, -1 oxidation state, +1 -1. No charge left over. It even tells you it's KCl in that table there. Oxygen is O2, it's making oxygen. 1K, 1K, 1Cl, 1Cl, 4 O's, I'll need 2 in front of the O2. Okay, use the data to calculate the enthalpy change for this reaction. Well, if you look in here, it says substance delta FH. Delta FH is the formation. So these are enthalpies of formation. So formation of KClO4. KClO4 formation. So what is that? Formation is when you make 1 mole of it from elements in their standard states. Okay, so this is a solid, this will be a gas, this will be a gas, and potassium is a solid metal. It doesn't actually ask you to produce these equations, so I'm not going to bother with those state equations, but they are as you'd find them in their normal standard states. I'm making 1 mole of this from the elements in their standard states, how you'd find them in the laboratory. 1K, 1K, half Cl2 to match with the 1Cl on the right hand side, 4 O's, 2 O2, and that's -434. Similarly, enthalpy of formation to make KCl. KCl is a solid. I'm going to make it from metal. K is potassium, that's a metal in group 1, half Cl2. It matches now, it balances 1K, 1K, half Cl2 is 1Cl. And I'm making 1 mole of that. Okay. Because it's enthalpy of formation to make 1 mole from the elements in their standard states. I'm going to get rid of those ones now. Now I just need to match it. So what do I need to find out? I need to find out the enthalpy of this one. So I don't know what this one is, and I need to find it out. Wait a minute, let's just sort that out. Okay, so this is a value x, so delta H is an x for this, and I need to try and find out what it is. That's what it's asking me. Calculate the enthalpy change for this reaction. So I need to match these up. What have I got? I've got KCl here, I've got KCl here, I've got KClO4 here. All right, I'm going to match this one up first. I've got a KClO4 here. I've got a KClO4 there. I've got a good match. 1 of each. So the quantities are right, except my arrow is going in the wrong direction. I want my arrow to come round this way, because this main reaction is my going up Snowdon on the railway. This one is coming round the other tracks, so I need this to come round from the car park up to the top in the right direction. So I'm going to have to reverse this one. Bear with me. Let's just reverse this one round the other way. Here we go. Reverse the sign. That's the rule. Reverse the direction. Reverse the sign. doesn't want to do it. There we go. Plus 434 now in that different direction. Now I can spin it round. So I'm making a mess of this. Spin it round the other way. There we go. We've got a perfect match. Quantities match. So I don't need to multiply through by a number. Arrow going in the right direction, plus 434. Now, what's 202 going to 202? Well, they're the same. So let me just draw an arrow. Set shape, arrow. That one going to that one. It's exactly the same. So the enthalpy change will be 0. I'm not turning it, I'm not changing it at all. It's exactly the same. Now, what do I need to do? I've got a match of KCl there, K half Cl2, right, okay. This is a straight match. Just going to turn this one round a little bit. Okay, that one's a match to that one. K and half Cl2, oh, they match, and it goes to the KCl there. That's a perfect match. Okay, so that's going on to the KCl. That's coming from the KCl and half Cl2. That is a perfect match across there. Okay, so let's just do a little bit of adding up now to finish off. Make a text box. Okay, so this one coming down here is plus 434, plus 434 is going in the right direction. This one's coming in the right direction, plus 436, minus 436, sorry. Minus 436 equals, so equals x. So this one equals the other two. X equals this one and this one added together. Plus 434 minus 436 equals x. X equals just minus 2. Minus 2 kilojoules per mole. Done.